Celebrations are underway in Harlow to mark its 70th anniversary. On the 25th of March 1947, Harlow was officially designated a new town. It was built to ease overcrowding in London following the destruction caused during the Blitz.
The new town was designed for 60,000 people, but these days 85,000 people live there. And it has many claims to a place in the record books. The first post-war tower block was built there, and the first all-pedestrian shopping precinct. So how are they celebrating? Let's go to our chief reporter, Kim Riley, who's in Harlow now. Kim.
Yeah, Stuart, we're at Latten Hall this evening, actually, and behind me are children from the Mark Hall Academy. We've had a fantastic Steelpan Concert today, and the place has been absolutely packed over the last hour or so. It was actually 70 years ago tomorrow that Harlow was officially designated a new town, a factory town. Children from 5 local schools launched the birthday celebrations in style, a concert with the message that at the age of 70, Harlow's a town of opportunity, a great place to live.
It's getting good, a lot of younger people in now, and the schools are getting a lot better. They've had a lot more money put into them and everything like that, and things like this is just a great thing to do for them.
I think it's a great town. I think it's got a great future. It's very good for the old and also the youngsters as well. So we've been here about 18 years now, so yeah, I really love Harlow.
It's got a really good community spirit, really good. Everyone pulls together, times of crisis, everybody's there.
To mark the eve of the official birthday, a cake created by a Harlow Council employee took centre stage. The cake representing the town's future, its present and its past. Well, the leader of Harlow Council, John Klempner, is with me. You're not letting this 70th birthday go by without a jolly good party.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, this event by Essex Music Services is just one of many, many events that's happening across the town. It's garden parties, cultural events, live music, street parties. It is absolutely a fantastic celebration that's bringing the community together.
It's all about pride in the town, I guess.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, and Harlow is a fantastic place. It's got a nationally important sculpture collection, it's got fantastic green spaces, but most of all, it's got a really great, strong community spirit, and that's what I love about the town.
And confidence for the future?
Oh, absolutely. We've got a great heritage over the last 70 years, but we are looking forward to a really vibrant future over the next 70. We've got Public Health England locating the National Science Hub in Harlow. We've got a world-class science park, the Enterprise Zone opening. There's jobs being created, investment in infrastructure as part of the Garden Town Initiative with local councils. So, yeah, a really strong and vibrant future for Harlow.
So, I mean, you're letting the party go on all year, aren't you? I mean, you've seen events stretching forward for months.
Oh, absolutely. Well, we couldn't let it go without a strong community celebration. But this is community-led. So yes, the council is facilitating that, providing some funding. But actually, it's been grown up from the community. I'm going to a garden party at a local community farm tomorrow morning, and it's a real strong community event. And I'm fantastically proud of what's going on.
Fantastic. Well, it's been great being here, actually, in a great atmosphere. Thank you, and good luck with all the events that are going to be taking place. Well, in the early years, of course, Harlow relied very much on manufacturing jobs, and a lot of those manufacturing jobs were created when basically factories moved out of London. But since then, a lot of those factories have disappeared, so the town's had to readjust to it. Our business correspondent Richard Bond has been looking at what's going to have to happen in the future in terms of employment in Harlow.